Now then everyone, we're back again. There's a melted bag up floor, and over there background, where is it? Just there, you can see one of the posts has fallen down. I don't think anyone's pushed it over, but that bag's been melted. I don't think anyone's pushed it over, it's just, it was a bit thin at the bottom, so the wind's probably taking it over. But we'll sort that out. Our plan for today, hopefully get this frame done as pretty much as we can. Especially this middle bit, all that needs doing, and tops and bottoms all need bracing, then we can build on the walls. First things first, as is tradition, we'll have a brew. As you'll probably see, I've put this post up, I've got all this wood in here in the background. Basically I'll get that up, and all I'm doing now for the time being until Paul gets here is, I'm just cutting the notches ready for the cross beam to go into here, because when that cross beam's on here, that's when we can start putting the beams that way, and we'll get a solid surface. So Paul's arrived. His ear's just knocked in on that branch, so we can put on the far side of this new shelter. As you've just seen, I've put these two bottom ones on. I'm going to go and sort out the bed in the log cabin. I've got a couple of bits of wood that I can sort out on the bed on there, so I'm going to do that. And we'll crack on a bit more with this, put another beam on after Paul's got that one on there. Good day. Just put a couple of new buttons in there, so there's no gaps in bed. We're going to have to start working on this soon. It's not received any blood for quite some time. But once we finish this bunk bed shelter, then we're going to sort this out. Rechink the walls, tidy it up in here, try and get a bigger bed in it. It could work over here, but I don't want the bed under the window. I like the idea of the bed being here, so you can wake up and look out the window. We'll have to do something with bed here, see if we can just straighten it up a bit. That's it. Just put it in that position now. And here we are at the end of play today. The frame's almost done. This is where the bed's going to go. You see them scaffolding boards in the end. We need about 3 scaffolding boards and the entire floor will be done. I'm going to climb up and show you how high it is. Here we go. Oh, the truth. Fucking hell. That's quite cool, man. obviously you sit down here in a deck chair. You're a bit higher than the roof, but without a roof, it's quite cool looking up here. That's going to be a mint one. Well, there we go then. So how far I've got for shelter today. Should be down again next week, maybe for a few hours, and get as much done as we can. We're trying to get it rushed to finish because we don't want people burning everything. So far so good. Just needs a few more braces everywhere and it's going to absolutely fine. Thanks very much for my new subscribers. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the content. Like, press, send and all that business. Comment, I'll always reply. I'll see you again very soon. See you now. Bye.